Back at the 4 unit. Everything was going nice and smooth here, but we got some bugs to deal with. Tenant was complaining about some bugs, so I'm meeting my man Rocky with Minute Man Extermination up here to review, check everything out, and then we got to go check on the 3 unit as well.
What we gotta do about these?
Yes.
There's
nothing easy.
That's why I just called the pro in. Like, no, we could, you know.
It was very weird though. Like I said, 6 years in, all of a sudden, fuck.
I say you've been here a whole lot longer than I have, so.
Yeah, I'm ready to put 7 years in here.
I just went to
Checking for bugs.
class 2 days.
We got the bug man, Mr. Rocky with Minute Man Extermination. He has been doing bugs a lot longer than I've been alive, and I actually knew him before I even got my license as an agent. Best in the business. So if you're looking for an exterminator, drop a comment below or just reach out to Minuteman. They're in Monrovia.
I'm gonna bag everything tomorrow. I'm going laundromat tomorrow. So wherever you want to come back, it'll be done. I'm gonna put all that shit in the garage there.
Alright, all your cabinets closed before they're bagged. They have to be dried to make sure nothing's in it.
What? What?
Even clean clothes, you got to run through the dryer.
Yeah. I heard that. He said cat. I thought he wanted me to take out of motherfucking. What?
Yeah.
Man, fuck the place. Can y'all give me a dumpster? I'll throw all that shit away.
So I say just wait a week or so and see how this goes. 2 weeks will be in a life cycle. So, and he's the guinea pig. So where'd you get that? I ought to get one of those. That way I don't have that shit on my telephone.
Yeah, I ended up getting it off of Amazon. But yeah, here's the. Yeah, no, it's its own little standing thing. Takes pictures, takes videos.
You can talk to it.
Yep. But yeah, no, I've been very happy with this.
So our toilet's gonna be over that way.
Yes.
Hagerstown's a hot spot.
I know.
It used to be the Golden Mile,
Down in Frederick.
Middlebrook.
Mm-hmm. When you know you hired the right man for the job, this will crawl into all kinds of stuff.
Aren't they doing something out like...
We're in unit 2 now, and the tenant was saying that the toilet was starting to leak. He's not sure if it's sweating, obviously with the temperature change, but we're here to take a look. And so I'm just feeling around here, seeing if there's anything that is wet on the line. But he's saying it's starting to come from under here, so yeah. So I think we're just gonna replace the wax ring to prevent any problem that may arise, and it probably is that because I don't remember the last time it was replaced. All right, so let's give it a flush and just see if anything comes out. Doesn't seem to be doing much. That's a good sign, but I think we're just going to replace the wax ring to be safe anyways. They're taking care of everything here, and now I got to get over to the 3 unit to check out the plumbing work that was done over there, and just making my rounds while I'm in town. Now we're on the other side of Hagerstown here to check out the 3 unit. We're going to crawl in the cellar and take a look at the water heaters because those just got installed yesterday, and check on the stuff in the top unit. Then this thing is just one renovation project away from being complete. Thank you. And let's go check out these water heaters. And we got heater number 1. And now we got heater number 2. And heater number 3. Well, everything looks great. They tested everything and it is working beautifully. So what we did here was take one gas water heater that fed 3 units, and I split everything up to where each unit now has its own water heater. Score, success. And now we're gonna go inside the top unit and see all of the little fittings and everything that they fixed. Let's check it out. All right, so we got a new faucet here. And oh, look how pretty that is. We got new washer and dryer lines, new fittings on everything. That turned out great. And let's go look in the bathroom. Take a peek in here. So we got a new faucet there as well. And all new fittings and connections in here, as that was leaking, so problem solved. Big thank you to Scott with Pike Down Plumbing. They did a phenomenal job and they knocked this thing out in a total of 2 days. That way what we're gonna do is close the permit out, and then this one is done. And as I said earlier, I got one more project to finish, and then this renovation is complete. Then I will be able to finish tenanting it. I've got somebody moving into this unit in about a month, and unfortunately, I have to evict the tenant below. They didn't want to leave. Their lease is over, but they didn't want to leave. So attorneys are handling that, and they'll be out soon enough. Then I can get a good tenant in here, and this building will be stable. Score.